Tired of choosing between stunning image quality and portability? The DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 are both titans in the drone world, but which reigns supreme? In this deep dive, we'll pit these aerial powerhouses against each other, dissecting their cameras, flight performance, features, and most importantly, which one best suits your needs. We'll explore the Air 3S's impressive advancements in image quality and its surprisingly compact form factor, while examining the Mavic 3's cinematic prowess and advanced obstacle avoidance systems. Get ready for a no-holds-barred comparison as we help you decide which drone deserves a spot in your aerial arsenal. Design and build quality. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is built with portability and ease of use in mind. It features a compact and foldable design, making it easy to carry for travel or outdoor shoots. The build quality is solid, but lighter than the Mavic 3, making it more portable but slightly less robust. The design is aerodynamic, with a focus on mobility and versatility, allowing it to be stored in small cases or backpacks. Its lightweight body, around 720 g, makes it more convenient for hobbyists and casual users, although it still retains a sturdy feel, especially in calm weather conditions. DJI Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 is a larger, more robust drone with a professional-grade build. It also features a foldable design for portability but is heavier and more durable than the Air 3S. The body is crafted to withstand tougher environments, and the overall feel of the drone is more premium, ideal for professionals needing reliability in demanding conditions. Weighing approximately 900 g, the Mavic 3 is built to handle more challenging weather conditions and long-duration flights while maintaining stability and durability. Camera and image quality. DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S features a 1-inch CMOS sensor, offering excellent image quality for its size. It can capture 20MP still images and record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, which is impressive for a drone in its class. The f/2.8 aperture and 10-bit D-Log M color profile provide a good range of dynamic detail, especially for hobbyist photographers and videographers. While it excels in most lighting conditions, its smaller sensor does not perform as well as the Mavic 3 in low-light environments. The 3S also includes a 3x digital zoom, offering flexibility in capturing distant subjects without moving the drone. DJI Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 is equipped with a dual-camera system, featuring a 4/3 Hasselblad sensor for its main camera and a 1/2-inch telephoto camera for zoom. It can capture 20MP stills and record 5.1K video at up to 50 frames per second, offering greater detail and clarity than the Air 3S. Its larger sensor improves low-light performance and dynamic range, making it suitable for professional filmmakers and photographers. The telephoto camera offers 7x optical zoom, significantly enhancing its versatility when capturing distant subjects without sacrificing quality. The Mavic 3's color accuracy and detail, especially in 10-bit D-Log, make it a top choice for high-end projects. Flight performance. DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S has impressive flight performance for its size. It can fly up to 46 minutes on a single charge, offering plenty of time for capturing footage on a single mission. Its maximum speed of 68.4 km per hour, 42.5 miles per hour, and range of 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, ensure that users can cover large areas without worrying about battery life. The Air 3S also features obstacle avoidance in 4 directions: forward, backward, left, and right, making it safer for newer pilots or those flying in more complex environments. It also has a solid GPS system and advanced active track to follow subjects dynamically. DJI Mavic 3. The Mavic 3's flight performance is exceptional, with a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, similar to the Air 3S, but it offers more advanced control features and stability. Its top speed is 75.6 km per hour, 47 miles per hour, and it boasts an impressive range of up to 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles, which is better suited for long-distance or professional-grade projects. The Mavic 3 includes omnidirectional obstacle sensing, covering 6 directions: forward, backward, up, down, left, and right, making it much more secure for flying in complicated environments. The advanced RTH, Return to Home, system ensures safe returns even in challenging conditions, ideal for professional use. Smart features and modes. DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S comes equipped with quick shots modes, which allow for easy and cinematic video captures such as drone, circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang. These automated flight modes are ideal for users who want to capture professional-looking shots without the need for manual control. It also supports Active Track 4.0, Spotlight 2.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, giving the user strong tracking capabilities to follow subjects or keep a focal point in the center of the frame. DJI Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 offers all the intelligent flight modes found on the Air 3S, but with more precise control and advanced features for professional users. It includes Master Shots, which automates multiple shooting angles into a single clip, as well as hyperlapse and waypoints for advanced planning of flight paths. Active Track 5.0 in the Mavic 3 is more advanced, allowing smoother subject tracking and more flexible angle choices when following moving subjects. Its smart features make it a powerhouse for professionals needing complex shots without compromising safety. Price and value. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is more affordable than the Mavic 3, making it a great value for users who need excellent camera quality, solid flight performance, and smart features without the premium price. Starting at around $1,099, it's a good balance between professional features and accessibility, especially for casual users or semi-professionals. DJI Mavic 3. The Mavic 3 is significantly more expensive, starting at around $2,199, but its higher price reflects its professional-grade features. For serious filmmakers, photographers, and professionals who need the best in terms of image quality, performance, and reliability, the Mavic 3 offers an excellent return on investment. It's priced for those who demand top-tier performance and are willing to pay for it. Conclusion. In conclusion, the DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 cater to different segments of the market. The DJI Air 3S is an excellent choice for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and semi-professionals who need a powerful and portable drone at a more affordable price. It offers great camera quality, long flight time, and essential intelligent features for aerial photography. The DJI Mavic 3, on the other hand, is built for professionals who require superior image quality, advanced smart features, and robust performance. Its dual camera system, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and enhanced flight capabilities make it the ultimate tool for high-end aerial photography and videography projects. So, there you have it. The DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 both offer exceptional aerial capabilities, but with distinct strengths. The Air 3S excels in portability and image quality, while the Mavic 3 reigns supreme in cinematic footage and advanced features. Ultimately, the best drone for you depends on your priorities. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more drone reviews and aerial adventures. Thanks for watching.